Giancarlo.
And that's outside. Base is empty, one away, and we're the top half of the sixth. There's a swing and a drive. That's back. And out of here. Another homer. He's done it again. His second homer of the game. And they add to their lead. It's 4-0.
High fastballs, especially with good.
Ready for the bottom of the eighth. And now the center fielder, number 3. Jelly back to work. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
Went up there looking to be aggressive and got something he could handle. Pretty tough for the infielders to do anything with that one. He pulled it hard into the outfield, and even when you keep it up.
Flips for one to first. Double play. Nicely done.
It's a tough day at the plate. 3 strikeouts already. It's hard not to think negative, but you got to find a way to somehow center up the baseball and put it in play.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
That one's carrying. Out of here. And they tack one on the board. It's 6-0.
That's an impressive swing of the bat to go over the wall to the opposite field gap.
The 2-out walk.
Got a great back and forth, and that at bat. He had to lay off some really close pitches, and somehow Boogie found a way to keep the bat on his shoulder right there. I'll tell you right now, I couldn't have done it.
This one is blasted. A no-doubter. Grand slam. A gigantic blast. It's 5-zip.
Well, he comes through big time with the grand slam here, but you also got to give some credit to the guys ahead of him. Good at bats to get on base and
to start the inning.
Couldn't have timed it up any better than that. Couldn't get any air under it, but he smoked that ball back up the middle. Timing was just perfect. Got great wood on it, and there's just no chance for the infielders with how hard he hit it.
Left-hand hitter waits. That's down and in. A slider missed. On the ground left side. 6, 4, 3. And they turn the double play.
Lifted him first base with a quick free pass.
And now it's Josh Naylor. And another ball.
Could be some action here on this next pitch. Couple runners on. Probably a challenge pitch coming.
Drilled to right. Way back there. And that is gone. He circles the bases. And they add to the lead. It's 7-0.
Knew what pitch he wanted to hit. Spent on some other pitch business, aren't you? That was a great experience that I had as a rookie playing against the Yankees, playing in New York.
Clobbered to right field. Way back. Gone. A 2-run shot. It's 9-0.
When you're working with this kind of velocity, so critical that you move the ball around, work quickly, and make sure that you keep that hitter off balance. Clearly not fooled by the location. Spoiled that backdoor breaking ball perfectly. Stayed tall, didn't lean out towards it, let it get deep, and then just squared it up pretty nicely the opposite way. That's great hitting.
And the batter will be Fernando Tatis Jr. And another ball. Grounder might be 2. To second, there's 1. Plenty of time at first. That's a double play. To first on the run. That ends the frame. We head to the bottom of the second. Here's Josh Naylor. The wind to the pitch. Inside, almost got him. In the air, right center. This is mashed way back and gone. Down for a hit. Man aboard on the leadoff single.
With the way defenders track down balls these days, I mean, both from the infield and in the outfield, there really aren't a lot of base hits on balls hit like that. But there's always a little room back behind the first and second baseman to drop a lawn dart in there, and he found a way.
Struck him out swinging. Puts the tag on him, and it's a double play. Now here's Xander Bogaerts. Here's the left fielder, Stephen Kwan. The next offering misses. Now 2 balls and a strike. That one ripped. And it's gone. That should put a foul ball, and it remains a full count. And the righty deals. Up the middle, finds its way through, base hit. Man aboard on the leadoff single. Ozzie Albies up to the plate. Hit on the ground, might be 2. Over to second for 1. How about that double play? Throw back in quickly. First and second now with nobody out.
Back-to-back base hits. Once you get the ball by the pitcher, there's a lot of base hits up the middle, even on ground balls. So a nice job to use that.
Oh, this one high and deep. Way back there. Forget it. So he goes the opposite way with that one. It's 3-0.
Elevated fastballs, especially away, are like putting the ball on a tee. Hitters do a lot of cage work. They're comfortable hitting.
So man aboard. Here's Orlando Arcia. And there's a ball. Soler gets his lead at first with nobody out. That one misses. And that's ball 3. Fastball for a strike.
Goodness, I think he just took the best pitch he's going to see in this at bat. You don't get many like that in that location. I don't know if you take that pitch against any pitcher out there on the mound.
That's out back and on his way to third.
Well, they call that an advantage count for a reason. You're so much more likely to get something you can handle. Really nice job to take that inside pitch and pull it into the gap. He could have easily spun off of it or just been tied up. He stayed short to the baseball, and he was thinking triple right out.
In the first, got hit around a little bit, just wasn't able to locate particularly well. A lot of stuff for the fat part of the plate.
Yeah, Brooke, he wasn't fooling anyone. It's a tough place to be because it's not always obvious what adjustments need to be made. Sometimes it's location, sometimes it's being too predictable. Sometimes you're tipping your pitches. He's going to need to figure it out quickly, though.
Jake Rogers up now for the Tigers. Ground ball left side, could be 2. Roquillo tossed this.
Been a rough start on the mound for this guy. His third inning so important for him to get on track, turn the page, settle in, do all those things you need to do to give your team a little bit of length in this one.
Over to first. 1 up, 1 down. Now it's Jose Ramirez. The 1-1. Hammers that one deep left field and forget it. Catcher Bo Naylor. 2 outs. Warning track, wall, and you can touch them all, baseball man. A solo shot. It's 5-2.
Knew what pitch he wanted to hit, spit on some other pitches in this at bat, was very patient, and it paid off.
And it drops in. So they get a man aboard with a 1-out single.
I don't know how he's able to shoot that pitch the other way and still put something on it. That pitch was inside, and he let it get really deep. So pretty incredible hands to fight it off and still get good wood on it. And now let's see if they force him.
Oh, this ball is crushed into left field. It's on its way and gone.
A whole lot of hits that are more satisfying than a nice line drive in the center field. So that definitely.
Oh, and a great stop. Fires to first. 1 out in the bottom of the 4th. And the batter now, Alec Bohm. The 1-1. On the ground to third. Toss to Naylor. And there's 2 away. The tag gets it.
Patience and discipline paid off right there as he got into an advantage count. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. You know, hitters.
This ball is hammered deep center field. Way back there. On its way. Out of here. A gigantic blast. It's 3-0.
Just an excellent swing all the way around, and it had that sound coming off the bat that gets everyone's attention. Got a pitch to drive, short to the. He's just not going outside of what he's looking for up there.
Close, but called a ball. And the count 2-1.
You know, these Guardians doing a great job, Boog, of just waiting for the right pitch.
Oh, now this is blasted. Way back there. On its way. Gone. A massive home run. It's 5-zip.
Knew what pitch he wanted to hit. Spent on some other pitches in this at bat. Was very patient. And it paid
in this one. So the bases are loaded here. One gone. Next for the Guardians is the designated hitter, Kyle Mansart. Oh, he hit him. And that brings home a run.
Definitely a problem with the release point there, and it just comes back to bite them. They're going to get away from you at times, but you just can't let it happen with the bases loaded. That's a painful RBI for the hitter. Off the bat, automatically that team that.
Oh, now this one's high and deep, way back there, on its way, gone. And they jump out front. It's 1-0.
A good hitter gets pitch recognition early. He saw exactly where that was going to be. The challenge, not get over anxious and come out of your swing. He stayed on it and got all of it.
Two outs. Drilled to right, way back there, and that is gone. A 3-run homer. It's 5-1.
I'm sure he wanted that pitch down below the zone. It stayed up a little bit. He paid a dear price for it. Just a great swing to the ball, through the ball, and a nice round tripper.
Kicks and deals. That's foul off to the right side. Keeps the AB going. The 2-2. Oh, and this one's blasted. High and deep. It's on its way. Out of here. Ball game. A massive home run. And the Guardians win it in. One down, base is empty. Clobbered to right field, way back, gone. A gigantic blast. His second home run of the game, and they tack on to their lead. It's 7-3.
A slider right down the middle of the plate. It's like slow motion.
And there's 2 away. Here's Brian Riccio. Still tied at 0, last of the 3rd. Backed off the plate that time. Wouldn't chase that time.
3 balls, 1 strike.
That'll make it out of here. The Guardian not close. And that's ball 3. In the dirt. Wow, that's a great job behind the dish there. Cowser stands at 3rd with 1 gone in the inning. Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt. And there's 2 gone following the strikeout. Caught in a rundown now. Puts the tag on him, and it's a double play.
On a line. You know, hitters, they take so many reps in the cages working on going to the opposite field, and it doesn't always translate into the game.
This one swung on and hit well. Way back there. And that one is out of here. And the Guardians jump in front. It's 6-3.
A breaking ball up and in, you have to be careful to not jam yourself. The velocity's not going to do it, but your swing path can if you come off of the base.